Welcome back. NRI Commission has appealed people to beware of recruiting agents who many a times cheat people. Recently, 8 Goan women were cheated in Albania. They were later brought back to India by External Affairs Ministry. These women were sent to Albania by a Goan agent. Commission is now planning to form a committee that will look into the cases of cheating done by such recruiting agents.
8 Goan women along with 12 other Indian women were cheated in Albania. They were just paid $2 a day instead of $20 as promised. When they asked for their money, they were reportedly locked in a room. All these Goan women have returned back to India. NRI Commissioner says there are over 20 cases of cheating reported in police stations across Goa, but there is no single conviction. Even travel agencies are sometimes acting as recruiting agents. To counter such cheating cases, NRI Commission is planning to form a committee that can speedily conduct an investigation. NRI Commission wants people to be aware of recruiting agents as many are not registered.
Now, these 20 were taken to Albania by a person, a recruiting agent from Goa, for place. But we have not got any complaint. If we get a complaint with the name and thing, we'll take immediate action. You see, because this is too much. You know what these recruiting agents are doing. Yeah, no, committee will be not necessary to have a legal status as such. You see, but it will be a government committee to monitor and see that the investigations are done properly and speedily people are brought to justice, which is very much necessary because cases have been there, more than 20 cases, not a single conviction.
NRI Commission has also announced next Global Goans Convention in London from 22nd to 25th July. MPs of Goan origin in UK, India's High Commissioner to UK and Goan Association members from across the world will attend this convention. NRI Commission is also inviting Lisbon-based traditional Goan music and dance troupe Ekwut to Goa. Ekwut will perform Goan traditional dance and music in Goa, Bengaluru, Mumbai and Delhi. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Nana Nani Park at Miramar will now be converted into an event place. Amidst a lot of chaos and opposition from some corporators, CCP passed the resolution of conversion. CCP has also asked all government agencies to take prior permission of the corporation before carrying out any work in the city.
CCP's meeting on Tuesday witnessed heated arguments. CCP passed a resolution converting the Nana Nani Park at Miramar into an event place. Opposition corporators are not in support of this conversion.
To convert Nana Nani Park into an event place. As you all know, in Miramar, next to Dayanand Bandorkar Samadhi, we have a space which is lying in deliberated condition. So we thought that we should, as a CCP, for revenue generation, we should convert into an event place, and accordingly the resolution was passed today.
Various other issues were also discussed in meeting. CCP has decided not to allow any developmental work by government agency in Panji without prior permission from the CCP. They have already stopped issuing licenses to commercial construction till new parking rules are framed.
No development by any government agencies should take in Panjim without prior permission of the CCP. CCP has decided to stop all the construction licenses of commercial premises till new parking regulations are framed.
Our video journalist Ravindra Dalvi and Shan for Prudent Media.
5 inmates from Sada Sub-Jail inflicted injuries on self on Tuesday. Sources say that they are not happy with the plans of upgradation in the jail. Jail authorities are in a process of installing CCTV cameras and mobile jammers. Out of the 5, 2 inmates are shifted to GMC. All these inmates also tried to assault media persons.
Amesh Shirodkar, Ashok Shirodkar, Siren Rodrigues, Amog Naik and Chandrakant Talwar inflicted injuries on self on Tuesday. They were taken to Panji court. When they returned back to Sada Sub-Jail, they tried all these stunts. They also broke down computer desktop and window panes in the jail. they have got injuries on their hand and head. Siren Rodriguez and Amir Shirorkar had severe injuries and were shifted to Chikli Hospital. Later, they were shifted to the GMC.
Apparently, this is because we have been very strict with them. Checking has been going on in the jail, and they sustained some self-inflicting injuries. Reason is because they find things are very tough in the jail. Nothing is allowed.
It is also given to understand some mobile jammer is being fixed, CCTV camera.
See, things are going on. Jail improvements are going on. CCTV is being installed, and this is the government direction. See, we have filed a police complaint, and the police will take action. This is an offence, very serious offence. We have filed police complaint.
Sources say that they are against the proposed upgradation plans by the jail management. Jail management has decided to install mobile jammers and CCTV cameras in jail premises. These inmates don't want these security arrangements in the jail. All these 5 inmates also tried to assault media persons on Tuesday.
So you were pushed away. You was not accepted as
by whom? Policemen?
by policemen. Yeah.
To take the pictures.
So to take the picture. So I think the communication between the media and the police is not the best in Goa. Huh?
Our reporter from Sada, Surendra Madkaikar.
Anjuna Rakon Manch has demanded stoppage of demolition drive at Anjuna. Already 10 structures have been demolished on the charges of violating the CRZ norms. Rest 11 structures had asked for a stay against the drive. They feel that government should help people of Anjuna and come out with a solution to stop the demolition.
Anjuna Rakun Manch called a meeting demanding stoppage of demolition of 19 structures out of 29 in Anjuna. They feel that government has done gross injustice to the people of Anjuna. They have also threatened of massive agitation if the demolition drive is not stopped.
चडशे जाण थोड्या दिसांनी आमी सीएमा वचून मेळटले ताका मेमोरंडम दितले आनी ताका सांगतले जी घरां मोडल्या आतां उरलेली घरां तरी दवरा ती ना ती म्हणून उडया आनी बाकी सगळे जाण रस्त्यार हाडून बसया म्हणून नाल्यार मागीर बंगल्यार रावता तुमच्या आमी हें आमी एक ठराव आमकां कालूच आमी तेन्ना मिटिंगेक घेतले तेन्ना मिटिंगेक पास केल्लो आनी दुसरो गोश्ट म्हणजे सियाखेडाचे जे ह्या हे व्हडले व्हडले लिडर समजता आपल्या जिवाक तेंचे कितली इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन आहा तेवूय दाखयता कारण तेवूय तेंच्या लिस्टार येवंक ना खरें म्हटलें.
Munch said that government is acting partial with the selective people. They said that they will meet the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath in this regard.
To revoke a license which was illegally, occupancy illegally issued to a builder, why the haste in demolishing the house of a poor common man, Aam Aadmi? This is what is to be asked to the CM Digambar Kamath.
The Munch has appealed to the people to get united on this issue and fight for justice. A reporter in Anjuna, Shamsundar Fatti.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.